Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Well, this weekend we're out camping. We've got the caravans here and we're in the little mining town, old gold mining town of Tuena. So it's an 1860s gold mining town, and as we're here at the little reserve area camped, there's a fair few guys here doing a bit of prospecting, so it'll be pretty cool to watch them all weekend. Got my parents here, Dad's here, got the van here, and we're just waiting on Jess and Daniel and Avril from Out to Adventure to turn up. They should be here in about the next half hour. So we've just got the van level and we'll get to setting up.
And then forecast, there's no rain.
And the amount of cars that are going in and out.
Yeah, red rolls. I thought we might have sausage and bread roll for lunch. I've got some curry.
Cheerios everywhere.
Yeah.
Thank you. Should you write your name on it? By who it's from? You want to write to Avril from Abigail?
Yeah, can you help me write it?
Alright, we're just going to venture across to the recently refurbed pub across here, the Goldfields Inn. So it's been shut for about, I think it's about 17 years or something now, so early 2010 or 12 I think it's shut, and yeah, it's up and running again, so we're going to check it out. Alright, what are we cooking, Jessica?
We are making slow cooked beef ragu in the camp oven.
Nice. And you have a new camp oven?
Yes, we do. It's spun steel.
Spun steel.
This is the first time.
Australian made.
Australian made, and hopefully we'll know what we're doing with it.
We only burn it once.
Exactly.
Yeah.
But yeah, just getting the ingredients ready so then we can start throwing it away.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Definitely getting cold here.
It is. Very chilly.
Hard work.
Alright, starting to cool down here tonight. Jess is still on the cooking duties. It's been slow cooking some chuck beef there. We're just shredding it, and it's going to go back in, and yeah, some pasta. Is it pasta goes with it? Yeah,
some pasta.
Yeah. Got both fires going over here, and Daniel's got the cooking fire going here as well, so it's a full station here. And yeah, how's the new camp oven?
Good.
Yeah. The old spun steel. It's done the job. Yeah, both fires going here. And yeah, it's starting to cool down. Got the big coat on, so we're in for a bit of a cool one. But I reckon this nice beef here will keep us warm.
Warm us all up.
Yeah, it looks good. Well, morning guys. We've woken up to a foggy one, but it has now cleared perfectly, and it's yeah, it's going to be a cracker of a day here. The shade's already come across. That's how long it took for the sun to come out. But yeah, blue clear skies here today. Dad's just cooking up a bit of a brunch, and yeah, we're just going to cruise around here, go and explore the creek a bit later, and good chance of heading back over to the pub across the road again. So girls are all here relaxing, and a bit of a colouring in competition. Jeez, bit of plastic. Look at that.
I'm just drawing characters.
Yeah.
Making my own up.
Did you not pass that bit at school? Or?
Hey. Oi.
Got the fire going here. We'll keep that going all day. It's just, yeah, once this sun gets behind these trees, gets a bit cool, but yeah, it's just, it can't get any better. Perfect conditions for winter camping.
This is not scary at all.
Soft light falls on quiet sand. You almost leaned in. Shadows move, skin to skin. Something unspoken. Will you let me in? You and I will always have that one night. Come morning light, we'll always have that sunrise. We'll always have that sunrise. Daybreak, the shadows fade. You step back, I step away. Nothing's broken, nothing new. Only the sunrise. Over you and I will always have that one night. Come morning light.
Righto, getting on the prep tonight. Bit of chicken korma, should keep us warm tonight in the cold. Yeah, with a bit of an added one, some little potatoes to go with it as well. So should go down good in this cold weather.
What'll do?
Yeah, nice light cornery Indian looking colour. Righto, dinner is all cooked. Got a bit of chicken korma here, got some naan bread happening, so everyone's about ready to dig in, I think. We all right to go?
Yeah.
Righto guys, another cracking day here at Tuena at the Goldfields campground. Yeah, we had an awesome couple of days out here, so do yourself a favour, get out here, explore around this area. There's a lot to look at, and little town's got a lot to offer as well. Good little coffee shop, guys. What do you reckon? Yeah, it's a cracker. And the pubs, yeah, it's only getting better all the time, so they've had like a soft opening there, but it's yeah, just got light meals and a cold beer, so what more do you want? Anyway, we'll see you guys on the next one. Cheers.
Like and subscribe.
Back to the channel. We are out in the middle of nowhere. I'll stuff that up.
Like and subscribe.